While we're waiting for our chicken to cook, we're going to take some sun-dried tomatoes. And if you have sun-dried tomatoes in oil, you want to drain that oil out. So we're going to cut them into strips. They'll shrink up, but not that much. But I want to make sure that when you bite into them, I want to have nice big chunks of sausage and also of sun-dried tomatoes. Alright, we're going to take our chicken, give it a flip. It looks to be somewhat evenly cooked on both sides. So we're going to take that out. And this chicken is not cooked all the way yet, but we're going to add it later to get our sauce going. Alright, now we're going to add our garlic. And stir these around the onions and peppers until they get a little bit soft. And while this sausage is a little bit raw, so I'm going to add that in as well. And then at the very end, I'm going to take our sun-dried tomatoes and fan them out over the top.